A girlfriend gave a challenge to her boyfriend to live a day without her, no communication at all, and said if he passed it, she will love him forever. The boyfriend agreed. He never texted nor called his girlfriend for the whole day without knowing his girlfriend has only 24 hours left because she was dying of cancer. After a day, he excitedly went to his girlfriend. I did it, baby, I did it. But suddenly tears fell as he saw his girlfriend laying in a coffin with a note. You did it, baby. Now please do it every day. I love you. Please subscribe my channel Life with Saj because I speak what you feel.